this is Karthishwari. Welcome back to our next session. In this session, we are going to see the LED blinking using Arduino and Proteus software. For that, you need Arduino software and Proteus 8 with crack version. You download the software from the Google Chrome using this link and then go to Arduino. In that, you click File, New. The sketch will come like this. In that you type in the void setup, you initiate your pin number. I am declaring 13th pin is my output pin, so that pin mode 13 comma output, and in the while loop the particular pin number should go high and low for a particular time period. So I am giving 1000 delay for that high and low. So you may increase the time period time delay, and as well as you can decrease the time also. So if you are giving compile option, means compiling will come. After that, if you are clicking upload, means if you are having Arduino board, means you can straight away see the LED blinking, because 13th pin is the inbuilt LED pin. Now we are going to use Proteus for the LED blinking. So that you go to file menu. In the file menu, click preference. In that, click compilation and upload option and click OK. After that, you compile this. You can get the hex file conversion. You copy the hex file conversion and go to Proteus software. In the Proteus software, you paste the you double click the Arduino board, and then you paste the link here and give OK. For that, you need the Arduino board and LED to design, so that you go so once the Proteus software is open, means you click ISIS schematic capture, then this capture will open. You click in the component mode. In the component mode, you type Arduino. If the pick device Arduino, if Arduino is not coming, means you select the Arduino UNO and click OK. If it is not coming, means you go to Google Chrome and type Arduino library for Proteus. Use the first link to download the library files and copy and paste the files in the Proteus location. Then you can see the Arduino board in the Proteus. So you go to Proteus software and paste the Arduino UNO, and then click pick. In that, you type animated LED. In that, different colors of animated LED is there. You select your own color and then give OK. Now I am giving blue color LED here. For the ground purpose, you right click and go to place, and terminal ground option is there. You click and connect that. After giving everything, don't forget you check with the link and then give OK. After that, if you are clicking OK, means the LED will blink. It will blink for 1 second delay and turn off for 1 second delay. You can increase or decrease the time period and verify the output. As well as you can connect 2 or more LEDs to see the and write the code based on that in the Arduino UNO, and dump the code and check the output. You check this code for the application oriented traffic light controller. So for that traffic light controller, you initiate 3 LEDs, and 3 LEDs output should be go high and low. Like that, you write your code and then verify the output here. In the next session, we will see the LED blinking with the condition based condition. If you are giving 1, means the LED will blink, 0 means LED will be turned off. And that in the forthcoming session, you will see if the condition is if you are giving 1, means LED will on, 0 means LED will off. Using Bluetooth we will verify, and then using URL we will verify. Thank you all for watching. Thank you once again. We will see in the next session.